Find the area of the blue region. Label points A, B, C, D, E, and F. AC, E is a 45 degrees right triangle. It implies that angle A equals angle C, which equals to 45 degrees. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line A, C equals the sum of the square of line A, E, and the square of line C, E. Substitute values. The square of 9 equals 2 times the square of line A, E. Hence, half of 81 equals the square of line A, E. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that line A, E equals the square root of half of 81, which equals half of 9 times the square root of 2. In units, let angle CB, DB equals to beta. From right triangle BCD. Line C, D divided by line B, C equals 10 divided by 6, which equals tan beta. Simplify to get that tan beta equals 5 divided by 3. By trigonometric identity, the sum of 1 and the square of tan beta equals the reciprocal of the square of cosine beta. Substitute values. And we have that the sum of 1 and the square of 5 divided by 3 equals the reciprocal of the square of cosine beta. Simplify to give that 34 divided by 9, which equals to reciprocal of the square of cosine beta. Cross multiply and we have that the square of cosine beta equals 34 divided by 9. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that cosine beta equals 3 divided by the square root of 34. Also, sine beta equals 5 divided by the square root of 34. We call it equation 3. Consider triangle B, F, C. Angle B, F, C equals 135 degrees minus beta. After substitution and simplification of values. It implies that, by using sine rule, line B, C divided by sine 135 degrees minus beta equals line C, F divided by sine beta. Substitute values and we have that 6 divided by sine 135 degrees minus beta equals line C, F divided by sine beta. But sine 135 degrees minus beta equals half the sum of cosine beta and sine beta. Substitute values. Sine 135 degrees minus beta equals the sum of 3 divided by the square root of 34 and 5 divided by the square root of 34. All divided by the square root of 2 equals 4 divided by the square root of 17. After simplification, we call it equation X. Substitute equation X and equation 3 into equation Y. It follows that 6 divided by the ratio of 4 to the square root of 17 equals line C, F divided by the ratio of 5 to the square root of 34. Cross multiply and we have that line C, F equals 15 divided by the product of 2 and the square root of 2. After simplification, it means that Area of the blue region equals half the product of line B, C and line C, F times sine 45 degrees. Substitute values of line B, C and line C, F. Area of the blue region equals the product of 6 and 15 times sine 45 degrees. All divided by the product of 2 and 2 times the square root of 2 equals 45 divided by 4 in square centimeters. After simplification. Therefore, area of the blue region equals 45 divided by 4 in square centimeters.